Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I bring you update on Bank Road Umuahia. So this is how Bank Road Umuahia looks currently. Due to the expansion of the road, and you can see the drainage. Yes, covered or closed drainage that they did here. Now the road is not yet done, like the reconstruction or the retouches they are doing on this road is not yet done. Like they never do and finish, you understand? So that's why I was giving this update. More and see as they before here, you get. So guys, if the first time you are coming across my videos, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Now, not just say they do this drainage and expanding of the road. No, they still put street lights. You understand? They put street lights in these areas too. So guys, watch this video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. As you're watching, please help me click the share button also. Make people also know, say yes, they play the show for Abia State. You understand? So yes, if you have subscribed, I really want to say I appreciate you all for subscribing. And if you are a returning viewer, I also heart you guys plenty. Okay, so watch the video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. So guys, this road started from just call it opposite Federal Medical Center. Now their Bank Road starts. Now it ended very close to Obara Square. I'm still going to show you what they are constructing, the drainage they are constructing over there in front, very close to Obara Square. So just watch this video down to the end, make you see what thing they go on for there. Make you see how the drainage take there. Very solid something, you understand? If you never subscribe, just help me click that subscribe button. See as our road now dey our road don't fine for eye, you don't understand? By the time they don't run that more finish now, you understand? Everywhere goes stew, you get. And so just see what's in the construct for here. You see how thick and solid the thing be. Now so at least nothing like flood for Umuahia. If rain fall, rain go dry. No be say if rain fall, make it come, come the cause flood. No be bobo juice be this, you understand? Yeah, see drainage now. See as everywhere is too. So this is Obara Square. Yeah, that roundabout where they see for there. And so thanks for watching this video. And I beg, if you never even subscribe, help me. They're very important. Help me just click that subscribe button. It's free of charge. No, they charge you anything. So guys, yeah, see how everywhere be. See how everywhere be. You understand? Okay, so thanks for subscribing. My returning viewers, I really appreciate you all. I know if even appreciate una tire, I go dey appreciate una every day. Now I'm going back so people will see the other lane. So don't say I've watched this side. No, I'm trying to show you guys the other lane, you understand, of the road.